itigarite o miaka iri atongoria macoke kuri muingi kuhoya kura githurano kia mwaka wa 2027 atongoria nimahinyiriirio gutungatira muingi. Spika wa mbunge ya KIRINYAGA MUTETI MURIMI augite undu wa bata ihinda-ini riri nio mundu kuruta wira uria athukiirwo kuona wira wa mundu niguo gathurimwo ni muingi.
It is good to acknowledge God. It's good to come and say thank you to him, and he likes people who say thanks. That's why he gave the story of the 10 lepers. Thank you because we want to thank God because through you, through your leadership, your excellency, your light have shown to all of us. You have transformed this county and you are very focused.
Muteti oritie maabitha thirikari kwirutira gutungatira muingi uria kwagiriire na kuheana ndumiriri njega cia thirikari matura-ini.
We are a blessed county, and I think out of the last 8 years, the 3 years of this that county government of KIRINYAGA has been the best year of this in the history of devolution of KIRINYAGA. So I want to thank you all.
Ihinda riu Muteti ni agathiririe wira uria ukinyaniirio kaunti-ini ya KIRINYAGA ni thirikari ya kaunti amwe na mbunge, akiuga muingi urenda o maundu ma uthii wa na mbere.
You people, you are the right of the people of KIRINYAGA. And our great responsibility is to be the right in their lives so that at the end of the 5 years, we will not be remembered because of the position we held, we will be remembered for the transformation that we made to make sure that KIRINYAGA is a model county.
RITANA ririkinyitwo mbaru ni munini wa gavana wa Cira Githanda, akiuga atongoria mwega ni utheri mwega kuri muingi wa KIRINYAGA. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV kaunti-ini ya KIRINYAGA, njitagwo Wainaina wa KIRI.